You know, the world is a beautiful place. Um, the world is perfect the way it is. We're already living in a perfect place as we speak. Everything is filled with love. If you find the hollowness at the bottom, that hollowness is but a canvas for you to paint whatever your heart desires on, and whatever it is the right decision. And I trust you because I love you. And I feel like I truly understood that when I watched this video, Cardboard Crack, by Billy the Fridge. Now, I know very little about Billy the Fridge. Okay? Like, I just kind of know him as the guy who, like, after Ben and TJ left the Drunken Peasants, he kind of came through and was on the Drunken Peasants with, I think, Ben. Because it's TJ and Scotty who left, but Ben stayed. I think that's how it worked. I haven't watched the Drunken Peasants in like 6 years, but I mean, I kind of stopped watching in like 2014, 2015 or something, but then I saw Endless Jess and Trixie go on there, and so I was like, alright, I'm gonna fucking peep that shit, and saw him, and that's where I learned. Apparently he fucks with Onision too. That doesn't really matter, alright? So this song, you know, had one other person on Rate Your Music not fuck with it. And so I think the thing with this music video is that, one, I don't know shit about Magic the Gathering either. Like, this is a song about Magic the Gathering. I've never played Magic the Gathering. I have no card games is anything I have experience with, except Pokemon and Bakugan. But, you know, not really playing them as games, just kind of liking them as, like, things. But yeah, no, Billy the Fridge is, rapping about Magic the Gathering, and, like, I don't know, like, this is like a beautiful song.
With a savage punch, drafting rares with some squares, and I have a hunch. I'ma slap your elder dragon in a camel clutch. Cast a bunch of counter spells, I'm going kamikaze. Jump off Urza's tower, elbow dropping in Eldrazi. You playing proxy, that's cute, I'm pimping power. I'm a warrior, ain't phased by you freaking cowards. I'm spending hours locked up in a comic shop. It's Friday night, I'm trying to...
Like, the beat's hard, you know, like, it's like everything is okay because of this video, you know. I had to give it a 10 out of 10, you know. Shout out Billy the Fridge, you know, like, you really, he's showing in this little 3-minute video, you know, he made over 10 years ago. He's just giving us, like, a slice of, like, his world. And for that 3 minutes and 27 seconds, I was like, this world is perfect. Thanks, Billy the Fridge. You really did it.